Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 3 and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of this camera. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's see what we've got. We start with the left corner here. By tapping on this button we get access to the flash. We can turn on auto flash, we can turn it on every time we take a picture, and we can also turn on here the torch, so the fill light is here. For now I'm going to turn it off because I don't need it right now. And let's move to the next button. This is the HDR. Here also we can turn on the auto HDR and turn on HDR every time we take a picture, and of course turn it off here. I'm going to pick the auto HDR. I suggest you also to do it because the HDR helps to improve the details in the brightest and darkest areas of our picture, and this is very useful and make our pictures just more beautiful. And on the auto it recognizes when it's needed. Now let's go to this button here with the start. These are the filters, so here we can make our picture just more beautiful before we take it. As you can see we can pick from this, so this is how it works here. For now I'm going to stay on the normal one. And now let's have a look how to zoom. We can do it by using the two fingers like that and get closer to subject and also go back like that. So this is how it works. And the next thing I want to show you is that when we tap on the screen we get access to this ring. This is the focusing and this is connected with the exposure compensation. So when we tap on this a little bit longer we get access to the exposure and can make our picture just more bright or dark as we need. As you can see, this is how it works here. And now let's focus on this button here in the left. By tapping on this we can change the lenses. We can pick ultra wide angle mode and we can go back to the standard ultra lens. So this is how it works. And for now let's go to the settings bar here. By using this slider we can change the modes of this camera and we can pick slow motion, short video, video, photo, portrait, night, panoramic, 64 megapixels and the pro mode. So I suggest you to making experiments with that and just have a good fun. And now let's go to these settings in the right corner. By tapping on this we get access to more advanced options and we start with the camera frame here. So by tapping on this we can change the ratio of our picture. For now it's 9:16, so this is how it looks like. And when I go again to this and tap on this we go to the 1:1, so this is the square one. And again I go back to the 3:4 ratio, which was the original one. So this is how it works here. And let's go back to these settings. The next one here is the camera timer. So here we can change the delay of taking picture. We can pick from 3 seconds or 5 seconds. When I tap on this again I get access to it. And again I can turn it off. So for now I'm going to stay on 3 seconds delay to show you how it works. And let me take a picture. And as you can see the picture was taken with 3 seconds delay, and we can go back to the right, and when we tap on this twice we turn it off. The next one button here is the tilt shift. So here we can control and blur the background of our picture. We can pick from circle and parallel. And this is how it looks, the parallel here. And also when I tap on this again I turn it off. So this is how it works. And now let's move to this button. These are the grid lines. So by tapping on this we can easily turn on and turn off the grid lines at this camera. So this is how it works here. And these are the grid lines, these are these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. And let's go back. To turn it off, of course, we have to tap on this again, and as you can see now it's gone. The next one here is the straighten. So this is the camera leveler. As you can see, by tapping on this button we get access to this line. So this is how it works, and this is helpful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. So this is how it works. And of course, to turn it off we go back to this settings in the right and tap on this again. Here also the last button is the macro. So this is the quickest way to get access to the macro mode here. So this is how it works. We can turn it on and off by tapping on this. And now let's tap on this button again, and let's go to the left to this settings. When we tap on this, we get access to advanced camera settings, and in the first position here we have the watermark. So by tapping on this, we can add the timestamp on photos. So by using this button, we can turn it on and turn it off. So this is the time watermark. The next one is the device watermark, so Black Shark free. So when we tap on this, we get access to it. And also here we can add our own custom watermark. As you can see, for now it's hard reset watermark, so our own, and save. And as you can see, this is how it works. By using these buttons, I can turn it on and off. And now let's go to the camera and take a picture to show you how it looks like. And let's go to the preview. So this is our picture. As you can see, the watermark with Black Shark free and hard reset, so device and custom watermark is at the left and the timestamp is at the right. So this is how it works here. And let's go back to the camera and to the settings in the left here. The next one button here I want to show you is the picture quality. So when we tap on this, we can pick the low quality, standard quality and the high quality. Of course, I suggest you to stay on the highest quality because this is the best possible. And now let's move to the quick settings here. The interesting thing is the volume buttons function. For now it's turned on the zoom, and we can pick from shooter, countdown, zoom and volume. For now I'm going to pick shooter to show you how it works. The volume buttons are here, and let's go back and tap on this. And as you can see, now it's take a picture. So I've changed its function. And let's go back to these settings. The next one interesting thing here is the focus and shoot. So when we turn on this function by using this button, we can focusing and tapping again to the picture anywhere on the screen to take it. So I'm going to show you how it works. So the first one when I tapped is the focusing, and the second one I take a picture. So this is how it works. And let's go back again to the settings. Also here we get access to the scan QR codes function. So by using this, we can turn on and turn off the QR scanning by camera. I suggest you, of course, to keep turning it on, because when we have this, we don't need any other app to scan QRs. We can do it by just using the camera app. And now let's move to the general settings. The first one here is the save location info button. So we can turn on and turn off here this function easily like that. And when we really want to save location of our picture, also the important information is that to make it work correctly, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters. And now let's go back and take a picture to show you how it works, and go to the preview. So this is our picture. When we tap on the center, we get access to the gallery settings, and let's focus on this button here in the right corner at the bottom. When we tap on this, we get access to the details, and when we pick it, we can see the location at the last position here. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works here. And let's go back to the settings. And also here we can manage the camera sounds. So by using this button, we can easily turn on and turn off the sounds of this camera. So this is how it works. And the last thing I want to show you here is the restore default settings. So when we turn on all of these settings and manage this, we may want to go back to the auto settings, and we can do it by using this function. So when we tap on this, it asks us to restore default settings, and okay. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.